in a new kind of space so I could actually have some room to show you the things that I'm going to show you today. I am so excited. Ever since me and Anya went to Disney, which was March, so I don't know if I should say ever since. It wasn't like that long ago, but it feels like a long time ago because I've been locked in my house. There has been an item that I have wanted so bad. I saw it in the Disney dress shop in downtown Disney, and everybody who's been in there knows that those dresses are not the cheapest. And thanks to a debacle with our hotel taking like $500 from me instead of $50, I unfortunately could not afford said dress. So I did not buy it on the trip. But while in quarantine, while I am not spending money on going out living my life, I found it for sale on the Disney website. Unfortunately, Disney doesn't ship to Canada. Why though? Why you gotta do me like that? So I thought, there it is, my hopes and dreams dashed. There will be no dress for Justine because by the time I get to the next Disneyland, that series, which is the Ink and Paint series, BT Dubs, will be over. It's like a limited time thing. It's gone from my grasp. But no, thankfully, I have an angel of a friend in the States who did the ordering for me because they won't even accept Canadian credit cards. Come on guys, money is money. And then sent it up to me as well as with a special little treat. And I am so excited. So we are gonna do a super fun unboxing today. So I said unboxing, but it did get sent to me in a giant envelope, but I think it still counts even though it's not a box. But the cutest thing about this envelope is she put a million corgi stickers all over it. Oh my god. Or stamps. These are stamps, not stickers. Still cute. I'm super excited to get into this, and she does have a fun shop on Etsy where you can buy things like what I'm gonna unbox besides the dress. And maybe you too will get fun corgi stamps. I don't know. I assume she puts it on all the mail. I hope so. Alright. This is taped within like an inch of its life. Thank you for that security. So I'm gonna go find some scissors. Got them. I am so excited. Okay. So I definitely see my two items. And there's a piece of paper. Let's look at the piece of paper. Oh my god, it's a little corgi card! Oh my god. It says, let's Disney soon, which obviously, yes, let's do that. We're going in February so I can see Kristoff. And then it says, enjoy the dress and your son, which will make sense in a moment. And I miss you too, Vicky. Mwah! I really love this card. It's so cute. They have the cutest corgi puppies that I got to see when I stayed with them during Rose City Comic Con. And oh my god, I want corgis. Alright, let's get to the actual goods. What you came here for. So first up is the item that she made for me, not the dress, that's coming later. Which she wrapped in cute Disney tissue paper, which 100% is very my aesthetic. And she knows that. I love this tissue paper. I can't remember if Peter Pan's on here. I don't think so. Tinkerbell is, which like is fine, I guess. Oh, he is! Haha! He's on it! Yay! Are you guys ready for this? Are you ready? So she made me a Steve's Scoops Ahoy sweater, or I guess jersey, I don't know what to call this, but we've got the hat with the Ahoy, the back says Steve, and oh my god, look at the arm. One sec, let me puff this out. You gotta check this out. It says Ahoy ladies with the bat. Oh my god, this is my favorite thing. I already told her that I intend to live in this from this point on, and that is very accurate. Okay, we're gonna put it on right now. It's gonna be interesting with the wig, but oh no. Oh, now I have two Steve items on. This is the biggest, comfiest thing I have ever put on my body. Oh my god. I love this so much. It is so fun. It has my bat, which I don't get to carry around very often, but now we'll get to have with me all the time. Oh, Thank you so much for making this for me. So she has lots of jerseys like this for sale in her Etsy. The cutest ones I think right now are the Elsa and Anna one. I recommend them. So definitely check it out. Okay. Like, I'm excited for the dress, but I love this so much. We all know that I intend to live my life as Steve Harrington as much as possible. That's just a universally accepted fact. Oh, this material is so soft. I really like this. This is comfy. This is my new sleep shirt. This is my new laying around the house shirt. This is my new going to work shirt. I don't care. It's my new everything shirt. Okay. We're leaving Steve on for the second half until we change into this. This is the cutest freaking dress that I think the Disney Dress Shop has ever put out. Oh my god. Like, don't get me wrong, there are some other very cute ones that I have loved, but this is the first time I was like, oh my god, I need this dress. And to be honest, pretty much everything from this Ink and Paint collection. There was like a Spirit kind of jersey like this that Disney does with this pattern on it that I seriously considered buying for a while. I bought the themed mug for Ink and Paint. This is the cutest thing they've put out in a very long time. And it doesn't hurt that it has Peter Pan on it. Alright. Would you take a look at this? Oh my god. It is so cute. So, it has got this really nice, like, kind of Cinderella blue trim and bow. Very, very adorable. And the top half is all the sketches with just the black and white and the kind of little bit of blue to match the bow and collar, which is very, very cute. The back has a little embroidery of a Mickey hand holding an ink and a paintbrush, which is very fun. I like it on the back. I think it would have been also cute on the front, but maybe it would have been too distracting. I don't know. But anyways, it's cute. It's got a bit of a weird smell to it, which I feel like is a weird thing to say. I'm just very attuned to like when my packaged stuff comes out smelling weird, which is why I wash everything before I actually wear it. As you continue, they transition into full color. So it's ink and paint. It's okay, you don't have to laugh. So it's really, really cute. You get a petticoat under there. It's gonna get like the nicest little poof. And I'm trying to find him. There he is. There's Peter. He's on the dress. He's also in the black and white too, because it's just obviously like a repeating pattern. But he's there, and he's so rarely on things like this. Oh my god. I'm a little nervous about the size of this dress. When I looked at their sizing on the website, this definitely seemed to be the one that would fit me the best, but I don't know. Or maybe it will. Maybe once you get like the bow cinched in and stuff, like it's at its widest right now. So, probably gonna be okay, fingers crossed. If not, I'm nervous about taking it in, so I probably won't do that. I'll get someone very skilled to take it in. Okay, I'm too excited. It's time to give this one a try. Hold up. And here she is on. Oh my god. Okay, so definitely not quite as big as I was envisioning when I saw it, so I am glad I got this size. I feel like the next one down would have been really tight and uncomfortable, so I'm happy. It's cute. And again, like I said, once I like tie the bow in more, this will quite cinch the waist and it'll look totally fine. The reason I haven't adjusted it now is I'm actually like terrible at tying bows. So, not that this is like the most attractive bow I've ever seen, but it's better than mine. So we're gonna leave it for now till I get somebody else to deal with that. But otherwise, it is super, super comfortable. Here's what the back looks like if you were curious. My Captain America look doesn't totally match the aesthetic, but that's fine. This is so cute. Oh my god, like look at the bottom. I wish like I could be taller, but then my head would be cut out, so I don't know. I am so incredibly happy in this. I'm so happy that I found it and decided to go ahead with the order, even though it is not the cheapest dress on the planet. I truly fell in love with this when we were in Disney, and I feel like I always would have been a little bit sad not owning it. So I finally get to be part of the cool kids club who own this fun dress. Yay! So thank you again, Vicky, for ordering this for me and sending up these things to me while America's being really uncooperative with their shipping. Very annoying right now. I obviously was in love with this dress from the first moment I saw it, and I am in love with the Steve shirt, but you knew I would be, honestly. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching today. We finally got back to a normal video versus me putting stickers in a book. Not that I'm upset at that video. I loved it, but I recognize it's a little bit weird. Alright, I will see everybody in the next one. Bye!